Alright, so we're buying this program right now. And we're gonna see if it gets this phone out of recovery mode. That was once it was being upgraded and now stuck in recovery mode. So we're buying ReiBoot, whatever. Boom, I bought it. Okay. Let's see if I can. Alright, I'm gonna put in my serial number. That's the phone in question over there. I fix phones for a living, by the way. That's why there's all these phones around me. But none of this software ever seems to work for me, but we'll see if it works this time. Alright, register. Boom. Alright, great. Start repair. Network file equivalent, please click repair. Okay. Here we go. I don't even know what that means. Something file was found, network config. I don't know what that means. But here we go. Now this screen, like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has like a blue tint. It's actually on. Like the LCD is on. It's just not displaying anything on the screen. Like, yeah, you can't really see. Well, maybe you can see a blue tint there. The reason why it's like tinted blue is because the LCD is actually on. Anyway, so I'm filming this because, like, the reason I'm filming it is because money back guarantee. So if this doesn't work, which most of the software that I've used doesn't work, let me show you the software that I've used in the past. I've got, I've used Phone Paw, I've used, where's all that? I got a bunch of stuff. Let me see. I've used Phone Rescue, never worked. My iPhone DBAC never worked. Backup Extractor, that worked, but that was to extract backup out of whatever. Toolbox never worked. Phone Browse never worked. AnyTrans never worked. Synuity works great to get music off iPods, but that's not for this purpose. But no work. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fails, and we're about to see if ReiBoot is the 6th one. Repairing now. Okay, we got light. We got Apple logo. Here we go. It's at 9%. Something just happened over here. I saw the little thing spinning. Alright, where are we going? Come on. Oh, what happened? Checking my phone operating system 9%. Come on. If this works, do you like? That'd be great, but it doesn't look promising. I'm stuck on 9% now. And it looks like it's back to the blue screen, like the tinted blue screen thing. Now it's at 100%. So it says my phone's fixed, I think. But it doesn't look like it to me. It went from 9 to 100. Yeah, failed. Boom. Alright, so